Good morning and welcome to the channel. It's your girl Ashley Nicole. Yeah, my intro was literally all over the place lately, so I did make a new intro and I'm still working on it. I don't think I actually like the new intro, so that's why you haven't seen it, because I know that I mentioned it over on my Instagram, and yeah, I'm working on it. It's in the works, guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing Ashley's single Valentine's Day hang out with me routine, which is like my normal routine because I'm single year round. So it is 4:47 right now, and I'm getting ready for the gym. I'm already dressed in my little Gymshark ensemble. Can't lift my leg that high. Did you see it? So I have on the V-neck training bra, I think, which is really cute. I have a whole try on haul all about this bra, and then I have on some new pants that I bought from Gymshark. Now they're not new as in like a new like style or collection, but they're new as in they're new to me for today's video, because we're gonna go to the gym and we're gonna be super festive. I feel like people overhype having a boyfriend. Like they're like, oh my god, like having a boyfriend is the best thing in the world, and blah blah blah, blah, and we go on dates and we do this. And if you're like me and you're kind of like chill, like I'm not, okay, my friends would be like, she's not chill. Okay, hold on. I'm chill, but like I'm really like hype at times, but I'm usually like kind of chill. And no, putting on my shoes now because I'm talking to you guys and we're running a little late. I want to get to the gym early so that I can try to record part of my workout for you guys. And you know, if I'm going to the gym, okay, and it's Valentine's Day and you don't have a man and you're thinking about like, girl, I want to get a man, okay, it's leg day, baby. Okay, we're gonna pump up the peach and make, we're not gonna go through that. Okay, anyways, I think I was saying something about how dating people, it could be like just a lot of work, I feel like, and at some point I feel like you just kind of have to take a break for yourself and realize like you can do all the things that everyone else does with other people by yourself, and like you don't want to be dependent on someone else. I don't care what anyone tells you, you can love yourself and you will be fine. Don't just be dating somebody to date somebody. Don't date somebody because you're bored. I do that. I'm guilty of that one. So let's go make our pre-workout and get ready to go to the gym, and I'll see you guys there. Perfect. Okay, you guys know you gotta hold on, because you know how it is when we're driving. Y'all fly all over the place and be embarrassing me because y'all don't have no sturdy necks. All right, I don't want y'all to get hurt, so everybody just hold on. It also really could be my driving, I'm not gonna lie.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right.
Okay, babes, so we just finished our leg day workout. I did the final day of the first week of the Daisy B Fit Advanced Gym Guide, y'all. Okay, I'm doing a whole review on it, so there will be a more in-depth video coming soon, but it's hard. I feel bad because the first day I was like, oh, that's gonna be so easy. I don't even know why I purchased this. Like, this is about to be like easy, okay? No ma'am, I'm not kidding. So it really was really, really hard. And I'm now on the last day of the first week. So the girl's excited to have a rest day tomorrow because I'm in pain. So what we're gonna do right now is we're actually gonna go ahead and head to Starbucks. It's Valentine's Day, duh. And then I'm gonna send my best friend an Valentine's Day card because that's my best friend and I love her. So, and these are like, they have some really, really cute ones. I'll show you guys like some of the cards they have. Aren't these cute? Those are cute. Which one should we get her? I kind of like the Yes, Queen Yes one, but then there's also, I like that one. And then there's Hurt You So Much. Oh, You're My Gal Pal. Ah, I love them all. So we'll do the Hurt You So Much one. And then we'll give her 15, 10? Oh, there's no 15 option. Okay, so we'll do 10. Double click. I use Apple Pay for literally like every single purchase on my phone, and it is so easy. If you don't use Apple Pay, you guys, you should. So now we're gonna head to Starbucks, but I'm not gonna record us driving because, yeah, I only have 22 minutes left on this memory card, and yeah, I just feel like maybe we shouldn't. But I think we should do one like Valentine's Day song. Oh, I have the perfect song. I got us. Hold on. Let's go. She put my name with yellow hearts. I said she was a work of wrong words. Starbucks order time, babes.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, do y'all happen to have any chai in stock?
Any chai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have chai.
Can I do one grande hot chai tea latte
Absolutely.
with soy milk?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. And then can I do a venti hot chai tea latte with soy milk? And then in both, I'm sorry, my brain's all over the place. And then can I add 2 pumps of cinnamon dolce to both?
Oh, that's so good. Yeah, absolutely.
We love little Starbucks.
Alrighty.
1962, y'all expensive. Okay. Y'all, now y'all know I need to hold on. Y'all know, y'all a little rocky. Y'all fell earlier. And look here, this camera's expensive. So if y'all break, okay, we out of monies. Okay, hold on. Let me get, I do this every time and I'm never ready and I don't have my money on my card. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. Go. I'm not wet for my stuff. Oh, thank you so much. You have a great day. Let's roll, babies. All right, so we're about to head home and I'll see you guys when we get
the next day.
Good morning, babes. So, do I have my phone? I do. Hold on. So, it's officially Valentine's Day, and I know I was trying to like film it ahead of time, but I didn't get to show you guys how I would curl my hair, or my wig, I guess, and the outfit that I would wear if I were going on a date for Valentine's Day, whether that was with my friends or a guy, whatever, you know. We're gonna film that later on, but since it's like already a vlog style video, I just wanted to go ahead and like include you guys in my morning. You guys have seen this hoodie 1,000 times. It's actually an Alicia Marie hoodie. I bought it because I did Vlogmas this year, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that again. If I do, it'll be like, I will have to shorten it. That's too many days, you guys, of editing. I was like crying every day. Not really, but I kind of was. So it was just a no for me. But I enjoyed engaging and talking and hanging out with you guys, of course, but it's just maybe not that much. So I'm always the person that gets up the earliest, and we came to Charlotte and we're all hanging out, me and my family. So this is our like Valentine's Day getaway kind of thing. And I go to bed the earliest. I go to bed, you guys, at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Sometimes 10 if I'm like busy editing or something. So I curled this yesterday and the curls are already gone. I did use like a flexi hold spray because I don't curl hair often. I don't even know what type of spray I'm supposed to use. You guys, having a wig is stressful. I think I have it on like sideways. You guys, it was stressful. So, but look here, okay? I'll fix it in a little bit. So, do y'all eat leftovers for breakfast? Is that weird? I know a lot of people are like, they can only eat breakfast food at breakfast. But I can eat anything for breakfast. Like if I'm craving pizza for breakfast, I'll eat pizza. If I wake up and it's all spaghetti left, I'll eat spaghetti. Like I don't have like I have to eat this type of food at a certain time of day. Do you? I don't. I think that's weird. Like if you're hungry, you should just be able to eat, you know? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, so we finally reached the part where I'm going to show you how I put on my wig and how I would style my hair if I was going somewhere Valentine's Day, because your girl is not going anywhere. But if I was, this is what I would do. So here is my wig right here, and I need to like brush it and stuff because I literally just took it off. Just because it was like detaching. So I don't use glue on my wig. I use this Got To Be glue spray is what I use. This is definitely not a spray. I just use the Got To Be glue around my edges, lay it there, and then tack the wig on. And then if I feel like I want extra security, then I'll use this spray. So I use both depending on my mood, and then I just like tack it down along my hairline, and then that is all we do. So we have our wig right here, and you see my hair looks crazy. You know, your girl does not care about how she looks on the internet. You know I don't care about how I look on the internet. Clearly, you see my hair right now. We're gonna put the wig on really quick, then I have to apply it. I'll show you the best I can. I'm not a pro. I don't know how to apply a wig. I do the best that I can. I learned off of YouTube. And I cannot wait to show you guys the outfit that I would wear because it's super, super cute. Problem is, I forgot my shoes that go with the outfit, so you're not gonna be able to see the whole outfit, but I'll show you the gist of what I kind of made up. So well, let's try to apply this wig. Okay, so these are the curls that we got. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and like fluff them up eventually. And I also wanted to show you the little outfit that I would throw on if I was actually going out with my friends on a date. And these pants are from Fashion Nova. I got them so long ago, so I don't even know if they'll still have these pants. But they are literally the like cutest things I've ever seen. Aren't they cute? I know. They also have these like splits on the sides, as you can see, so they do come up really, really high. And then I don't have the heels that I was gonna wear with me, but the shoes that I would pair with this are always like black clear heeled sandals that I got from Pretty Little Thing, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, and then this little top is also from Fashion Nova. It is a little see-through, so you would want to put something on up under it that's probably black, unless you know you want to be bold and be you. So I would wear if I was going somewhere. You guys, this is fire. If I had somewhere to go, y'all, let me tell you something, okay? Trying to get me bigger hair. Okay, what we think? Too much? No? Perfect? I kind of like it. What we think? I think we're cute. Don't commercial. This is a look that I would do if I had like a date or a girls' night out. This is what I would wear for Valentine's Day. Y'all, happy Valentine's Day, okay? Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do all of this self-love, self-care kind of things for Valentine's Day. Remember, Valentine's Day is not just about having a date or a boyfriend. It can also be self-love tactics. You can buy things for yourself, for your friends, hang out. It doesn't have to be about someone else, because remember, self-love is the best love. And if you don't love yourself, it's gonna be hard to love somebody else, okay? Don't get into the hype about having a boyfriend. You don't need it.
Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.